Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. In today's video, the unit I have to show you guys is from Outre, and this is from the Melted Hairline, and I have her in the style Katiana in the color DR4/creamy mocha, and this unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. Thank you so much to Samsbeauty for sending this one out to me. And just in case you're interested in this one that I have on, I did a review on her, I think 8 months or almost a year now. I've done a review on this one. This is one of my absolute favorites. This is Sensational Letitia, and like I said, I did a review on her a while ago. I'm going to leave a card right here just in case you're interested. You find it there, and in case you've been waiting for an update on her, this is what she looks like after almost a year of reviewing her, and this baby is one of my absolute favorites. I can't remember how many times I've worn this and how good she looks every single time, even though she's beginning to lose her curls and tangle at this point. But to be honest, I'm not really bothered about that because like I said, I've worn this unit multiple times and she bangs, you guys. Every single time I wear her, I'm always getting serious compliments. So this is one of my absolute favorites, but that's not why we're here today. So let's just go ahead and see what we have inside this baby. So this is what the stock card looks like, and this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. For the key features on her, this unit claims to have a soft HD transparent lace 5-inch deep parting area, completely pre-plucked hairline and side buns, pre-attached elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort ear contour. And for the special colors in here, we have Havana brown, DR chocolate swirl, DR2/ginger brown, DR4/creamy mocha, DR6/champagne fizz, DRFF golden amber, and DRFF red velvet. And this is what we have going on straight out of the pack, you guys. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And we also have the extra elastic band, and this is what the hairline is looking like. It looks pretty good, you guys. I really love it. So let's just go ahead and style this baby.
1 step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take this in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place. Do you wanna follow? There's something in the air. I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and you guys, this color is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. For styling, it was super minimal. All I did was just go in with my lace tint, and I went in with my foundation and brush when I popped out my head. I didn't have no foundation on it. It was the remaining of what I used for my makeup earlier that I just used to blend the hairline in. And I also went in with my CoverGirl bronzer just because I felt like the hairline still needed a bit more work. So I went in with my CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony, and I used that to furthermore blend it in. Went in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toast to furthermore define the pattern area. Then I went in with my flat iron to try to flatten this area right here. And that brings me to say that I really wish that this area right here wasn't as bulky as it looks now. I think that would have made me really love this one if it laid down a little bit more flatter and maybe less hair in this area right here. I don't know, I just feel like this would have been such a nice unit without so much hair in this area, but she doesn't look bad regardless. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't experience any form of tangling with this one, but I did experience shedding. A couple of strands came off while I was brushing her out, and I think even when I was removing her out of the pack, but I'll not say that it's anything too crazy, but you would definitely experience shedding with this one. And for the texture and density on her, this is a kinky textured unit. For the density, this is a full unit. So if you don't like full units, then this one might be a bit too much for you. But of course, if you like full units, then this one is definitely going to be, you know, one that you want to give a try. And just in case you're wondering if she's big head friendly, I'd say that this is big head friendly, because even though she feels really snug and firm on my head, and as you guys saw, I didn't have to go in with my glue because, to be honest, I don't see a need for it. This laid down flat and it feels snug and firm on my head. I still feel like I have room in there, and the ear tabs on this one are quite long. So if your head is bigger than mine, I feel like this is still going to work for you. And in case you're wondering how long she is, I'm 5'6" for reference, and this is where it gets to right here, right above my belly button. So for my final thoughts on this one, I think she's still worth your coins. The only issue I have with her is just the bulkiness in this area, but besides that, I think that this is a very nice unit. I love the color, texture, I really love as well, and the hairline, not bad at all. And the fact that you can also wear her glueless is also like a big plus for me. So I think she's still worth your coins and she's worth giving a try. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'm going to have the direct link, every information that you need in my description box. In case you're interested, you'll find it there. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button. If you made it to this point, please join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.